friends, today I'm so excited to bring you the latest collections of blazers we have just received for the upcoming festive seasons. Designer blazers only at Shahenshah, Purusaivakkam, Chennai. Blazers starting from just rupees 1550 only, from rupees 1550 only. In this video, I'm going to show you all the latest collections of blazers. Blazers starting from size 34 to 44 as well as 46. We have plain, checks, printed, striped, self-designed blazers too. I'm going to show you all the trends of latest blazers which we have just received from rupees 155 onwards. So what are we waiting for? Let's start. So do you have an upcoming birthday party, an engagement, or you have a reception, wedding, you want to dress something, you want to dress the best, you want to wear some designer stuff, but you also want to keep it within your budget. So this is your answer. We have all the latest trends in blazers at a very budget price of only rupees 1550 onwards. Let's start with this lovely stripes. See, the fit and finish is very good. You have this lovely collar design. The price rupees 1990. 1900 the price. Nice stripes blazer. The next we have the evergreen grey. It's a bluish grey color. Price rupees 2250. And the next we have is the beautiful blue. See, this has a self design. You can see the self design with a slight glitter also. It looks very beautiful. One of our customers' favorite design, I would say, navy blue. The price rupees 2450. Gold color blazer. Gold color blazer printed. You can see the printed blazer. Rupees 2450. We have another printed blazer, maroon color, trendy blazer, 2450. We have this nice, lovely ink blue. You have the 3D design. This is called a 3D design, friends. Beautiful 3D design. Rupees 1700. Very reasonable. And you have this. You have this in a cotton soft banyan material blazer, casual blazer. Only rupees 1550. You can wear this for formal, casual, anything. We have multiple colors too in this. We have this lovely 3D print blazer, rupees 2450. I'm also going to show you some more collections. So let's start, friends. I'm going to show you all the latest collections of blazer. See, the first one what we are seeing is a nice dark grey color, rupees 1550. Available from size 34 to 44. It's a casual blazer. You can just fold the sleeves also and wear it. Let's see the next one. I'll keep showing you, friends. We have another color in this. We have a nice navy blue. Wow, look at this lovely, beautiful blazer. Rupees 1700. The proof is here. 1700. Lovely colors. Wow, look at this, looks so nice. The fabric, it has a nice silver grey. What's the price? 1900. Wow, look at this designer. I would say this is a super designer piece. The price rupees 2250. Blazers come from from size 36 to 44. Designs and colors vary from size to size. Rupees 1900. 3D print, size 34. Next, let's see the next one. Lovely prints. We have similar black. The previous we saw blue. This is the black. Wow. Nice light blue with a fancy collar. Rupees 2450. Wow, look at this peach color blazer, friends. Peach color blazer. Rupees 1550. The next color, amazing bottle green color. Casual blazer bottle green, 1550. 3D print, 2450, beautiful blazer. We have the next Band Gala also. So friends, just come to Shahenshah. We'll give you the best collections at very affordable prices. We have, wow, the last one I would like to show you is the lovely navy blue. Everyone loves this, looks so nice. Only rupees 2450. We can match up with a nice t-shirt and a jeans. We can give you a good t-shirt. For example, you like this, we can give you a white t-shirt which costs only rupees 200, specially come for blazers. Jeans starting from rupees 500. So do visit us. We are here to suggest you the best ones to make you look the best. Visit us and you'll be surprised to see the collection. In this video, I'll also show you some sets, 2-piece sets too. I'll also show you some 2-piece suit sets which come from size 34 till 44. See, this cost only rupees 2450. It's a set. It's a nice set with a ready-made pant. The fit and finish is very good. We also have some colors. I'll show you that also, friends. So if you want a complete set, we also do have sets. See this 2,000 rupees for this set, maroon color set, only rupees 2,000. We have plenty of colors available. We have greys, blue. If you have a meeting, you want a formal blue, or for your wedding, rupees 2800. It's a nice blue color, navy blue. So do visit us. Before you make any purchase, once visit us, see what the prices are, then you can go ahead and buy it. We have the lowest prices in the city and the best collection at the best quality. So do visit us once, then you can decide what's in trend. When you come to us, you will know what's in trend. So visit us once, see what's in trend, see the prices, then you can decide, friends. The best designs, the superstars, what they wear, Hollywood, Bollywood superstars, we have all that at affordable prices. So do visit us. Thank you.